I can feel there is somebody here, and he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears. Let me know there's a
Can you read this? Oh my god!
reaching out his hand to wipe away my tears. Oh, I know you, and I praise you.
Hey, Fatso! Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew your fat ass would.
Don't you dare do that! Don't you dare eat those toes!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
The audacity. The absolute audacity.
That's right!
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Big man, I need the Xbox on, please. Thank you.
The regret on that face though when the mouse chases you instead.
Hey, buddy, what you doing?
What are you doing?
The regret on that face though. Oops. Someone messed up.
Magno! You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
Gotta let it go, baby!
Mimie. Mimie. That is the face of someone who has zero.
Midnight, are you cleaning the table?
Oh, there's no top.
No.
Yeah, he's reaching out his hand to me to wash away my tears.
Bless you.
That is the face of someone who has zero regrets. He is absolutely unhinged.
Sing hallelujah. I can see though my eyes are all closed. Carry on, always lets me know that I'm fine just the way you made Every perfect imperfection is all because of him. Oh, I know you, and I pray. Got my arms open for your be near you. I hear angels.
I told you it was a little kitty. I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep it?
They sing
What? 5 million views later and it still gets me. Look at her go. Mind blown.
I can feel somebody, and he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my
It's pistachio ice cream.
and I pray.
What do you think, Whackers Bonkers?
Got my arms open.
Kill him. Who? You naughty Whackers Bonkers.
Where did you get that? Careful.
They sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah.
Oh my goodness.
I can feel
That tiny face of pure regret gets me every single time. He messed.
and he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears.
Ay, coño.
There's a heaven. Yeah, he's reaching out his hand to me to wash away my tears. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your
So he said.
Oh, I want to be near you. I hear angels from above. They sing.
Oh my god.
This is the most committed thing I have ever seen. They literally copied and pasted.
I can see though my eyes are all closed. Gives me strength to carry
Now, what do we say when we're feeling depressed again?
on, that I'm fine
My depression is repeating, so this booty needs a beating.
every perfect imperfection.
Thanks, kitty.
It's all because of him. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you. Angels from above. They sing
Self-control, please.
they sing
Имба, занеси туалетную бумагу.
they sing
No, no. Eh. Eh.
If you're hungry, say yeah.
and he's watching